Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a shareholder agreement with LegalVision, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin building a shareholder agreement, gather all necessary information about the company and its shareholders. Identify the key stakeholders involved in the agreement, including all shareholders and potential investors. Outline the purpose of the agreement and the goals it aims to achieve for the business and its shareholders. Determine the roles and responsibilities of each shareholder within the company. Discuss the ownership structure, including the percentage of shares held by each shareholder. Include provisions for the transfer of shares, detailing how shares can be bought or sold among shareholders. Define the process for decision-making, specifying what decisions require a majority vote and which require unanimous consent. Establish procedures for dispute resolution, outlining how conflicts among shareholders will be managed. Address issues related to dividends, including how and when profits will be distributed to shareholders. Incorporate clauses for handling the departure of shareholders, including buyout provisions and any applicable valuation methods. Consider adding confidentiality clauses to protect sensitive business information shared among shareholders. Review local regulations and legal requirements to ensure compliance with applicable laws. Consult with a legal expert, like those at LegalVision, to refine the agreement and ensure its validity. Finalize the agreement by having all shareholders review and approve the document. Sign the shareholder agreement, ensuring that all parties receive a copy for their records. Regularly revisit the agreement to make updates as necessary, reflecting changes in the business or ownership structure. By following these steps, you can create a comprehensive and effective shareholder agreement. This document will help safeguard the interests of all parties involved and promote clear communication within the company. Remember, a well-drafted agreement is essential for the long-term success and stability of your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.